Yung next topic natin is exponential function. So don't worry madali lang to. 'Di ba? Same pa din siya, no? Formula based. So paki-screenshot lang po ito yung mga formula natin. Don't worry, no, madali lang siya. So first one is AU. Ang ibig sabihin ng A dito is a constant. So for example, no, is 3. Y is equivalent to 3x. Diba? So, U natin dapat is a function. So, 3x, kumbaga. O 3, ibahin natin na 2x. So, therefore, determine mo A ni mo is 3. U mo is 2x. Then, U prime mo is x. So, sorry, 2 pala. So, therefore, next thing is substitution. A is 3, no? Is equivalent to U, 2x. Logarithm of A is 3. Then, open close parenthesis. Then, U prime mo is 2. So, therefore, bawal po siyang i-multiply, di ba? Kasi meron siyang exponent. No? Hindi sila talo, kumbaga. So, therefore, simplify mo lang yan. No? Pwede na yan na final answer. No? Hindi naman siya ma-multiply. O, pwede din i-rearrange natin 2, 3, raised to 2x. Ganyan. Then, logarithm of 3. Now, screenshot. So, EU. What is EU? If yung merong constant na E, yes, nasa calculator yan. Diba? So, EU is equivalent to EU prime. So, example natin, Y is equivalent to E raised to 2x. Diba? Ang U natin is 2x. Ang U prime natin is 2. Diba? So, therefore, apply lang natin to E 2x, U prime is 2. So, therefore, simplify 2E 2x. So, ano lang formula based. And then, itong number 3, so magbibigay lang tayo ng formula. So, sabi po dito, if we have a function, then ang exponent niya is a function. For example, 2x raised to x squared. No? So, variable, ang kanyang exponent is variable. So, ito po yung gagawin natin. Ito, gawin natin U. Ito is gawin natin V. And then, apply mo lang yung formula. Differentiate mo, hanapin mo si U prime. And then, hanapin mo din si V prime. Substitute mo lang dito. So, ang formula niya is V, U, raised to V minus 1, multiplied by U prime, plus UV, logarithm of U, V prime. So, eto po, differentiate the following. As you can see, yung 3 natin is a constant. So, therefore, yung first formula, yung gagamitin natin. Raise hand po, what is our first formula? No, if we counter, that is AU is equivalent to ln of AU prime. So, thank you. So, ang gagawin lang po natin is determine natin sino si A. Ang A natin is 3. So, medyo bilisan na natin class medyo madali lang to. U natin is negative x squared. Diba? Then, yung ating U prime is equivalent to negative 2x. So, derivative lang po nito. Diba? So, substitute na natin class. Y prime is equivalent to A, 3. U natin is negative x squared. Logarithm of A, which is 3. Lagyan natin open and close para sure. Then, U prime natin is negative 2x. Ayan po. So, pwede na to ng final answer. Ayan. Pwede din ilagay natin siya sa front, no? Negative 2x. Nahin natin yung merong ganito. Then 3x raised to negative x squared. Ayan. Then logarithm of 3. Ikaw bahala. Barag asa sa tulo. Pwede po ka ng isa mauna. Same lang na siya. Okay? So, final answer. Sobraan lang na. Thank you. Okay, thank you. Okay, so proceed tayo to our next example. Ano na siya class? Dapat alam mo lang yung formula natin. Okay, so example letter B. Ayan. So E raised to sine 3x. E raised to U prime. Yung ating U here is sine of 3x. Ayan, medyo complicated, di ba? Kasi sine 3x. Chain rule tayo. So, therefore, dito tayo u and u prime within sine 3x. So, yung u natin dito is 3x. Diba? U prime natin is 3. So, therefore, ang u prime natin ito, gets ba class? So, nasa sariling u and u prime niyang sarili. Diba? Kasi, we have a function inside. So, u is 3x, u prime is 3. So, therefore, the derivative of sine is cosine, diba? Then, u. Ay, sulat na lang natin. The derivative of chain rule of sine u is equivalent to cosine of u prime. So, cosine of u is 3x, then u prime is 3. So, therefore, ilagay na lang natin siya sa front automatically para sakto na siya. No? 3 cosine of 3x. So, may mga ganyan. No, chain rule within itself. Diba? So, dapat alam mo yung topic natin last time. Okay, so therefore, u and u prime. So, therefore, ready na tayo. Our answer here is y prime is equivalent to e sine of 3x. Dito pa yan, no, si eu. Then, u prime natin is ito. 3. Diba? Multiplied by 3. Then, cosine of 3x. Ayan. So, siguro, para mas maganda, dito lang sa nato siya i-simplify para masundan gid siya. So, cosine of 3x, then merong 3. Para makita gini niyo. Cosine of 3x, then 3. So, therefore, diba, simplify lang natin siya. Ilagay lang natin sa front. Pwede na siya class nga answer. I will accept that one. Pero mas maganda kasi if nakauna yung ating constant. So, 3e sine of 3x then multiplied by cosine of 3x. So, pwede lang yan siya ng baliktad-baliktad. I will accept your answer. Okay, so raise hand, questions. Ganyan lang ha. Minsan kasi may within na u and u prime. So, dapat medyo magaling ka talaga na mag-differentiate within. No? So, ang gagawin natin is proceed tayo sa next natin na problem. I think this is the last one. Last na siya. Ito yung yung formula is UV, di ba? VU ba yun or VUV? IUV, di ba? So, function, then raised to a function. So, plus, sabi niya UV. Lagyan natin ng ng tail pag U para makita. Ln of U prime ay U V prime. Identify lang natin sino si U. Ang U natin dito is si X, di ba? Kasi siya yung merong exponent. Then yung V natin dito is si X squared. Okay, so para masanay, no, i-right side and left side natin siya. U is X, V is X squared. So therefore, U prime natin is 1, V prime natin is 2x. And then, substitute. Tapos na tayo. Okay? So, y is equivalent to v. Ang v natin, class, is x squared multiplied by u. So, lagyan natin. Sige, lagyan natin open parenthesis para sure. U natin is x. Then, v minus 1. So, that is x squared minus 1. Diba? Ito na part. Then, u prime. So, therefore, that is multiplied by 1 plus, so plus uv, so x raised to x squared, then logarithm of u. So, lagyan natin open parenthesis. Logarithm of u is x. Then, v prime is 2x. Ayan. Diba? So, sundan mo lang siya. Medyo mataas yung kanyang formula. But step by step mo lang, okay? So therefore, meron tayong introduce, diba, sa algebra natin. If you can recall that if xa multiplied by x raised to b, that is equivalent to x raised to a plus b. So therefore, dito po, x squared multiplied by x raised to x squared minus 1 magiging x squared minus 1 plus 2. Kita ba? Raise hand everyone. Kita din mong logic. 2, yung A natin. Ito is x squared minus 1. So, di ba, pag i-multiply, ma-plus sila. So, x squared minus 1 plus 2. Di ba? So, ayan po. Ma-combine kasi siya kasi same yung base niya, which is x. Okay? So, therefore, pag ito yung answer mo, that is wrong. No? Wala pa siya na-simplify. Dapat gina siya i-simplify. No? So, therefore, dito is plus. Ito, combine natin. Logarithm of x, dyan lang siya. Ito yung i-combine natin, yung dalawa. Same pa din yung concept. X squared, then, eto, sorry ha. Wait. Unahin na lang natin siya, i-late natin. I-wait natin si logarithm of x. Ito is 2, then x, di ba? Kasi 2x, then x squared plus 1. Bakit plus 1, sir? Kasi raised to 1 yan siya. So, same concept, a plus b. So, a natin is x squared plus b, which is 1. So, x squared plus 1. Then, huwag kalimutan si logarithm of x. Diba? So, therefore, wait lang. Wala pa din nato na simplify. X squared plus 1, diba? Negative 1 plus 2 is positive 1. Plus 2x x squared plus 1, then logarithm of x. Ayan. So, medyo complicated tingnan, no? Kasi sa algebra na to na side, final answer. So, ang gagawin na natin is factor out, di ba? Kasi the same sila. So, pwede din ang answer natin is x squared plus 1. So, factor out siya, 1 na lang yung remaining. Plus, ito factor out, 2 na lang yung remaining. Then, logarithm of x. Ayan. So, pwede din yan ang final answer. Okay, so screenshot po. And that's the end of our class for today.